and welcome to the channel. This will be a very quick tour because there are big machines working on the street and the wind is blowing. So this lily is called Ilsa and it's a dwarf Asiatic yellow hybrid. This one is golden matrix, and all the rest of the lilies have good buds. Some are coloring up nicely, and I have a lot of aphids, so still not ideal, but there is no ideal time to have aphids in your garden. I have a lot of weeds which are perennial, and so I have to apply a herbicide later. And the chives are finishing now, and the other oleums, and the lovely Eryngium zabelli big blue is now coloring up. That one, the seedling, is looking nice, and I can smell the stench of Dracunculus. This is Oleum giganteum. It's not giant this year. So this is the opening flower inflorescence of Dracunculus, and it smells pretty bad, but it's far away from the house, so no problems there. So I have to deadhead plants, and the Aurelians are still growing nicely, and the trumpets. Look at this, how many nice good buds. This will be also nice, and the LA hybrid apricot fudge is blooming. And of course I have really bad stems. Look at this, only one bud. So life is not perfect, you know. And the Dwarf Asiatics are blooming. So this one is Design Sensation, I believe. No, Orange Sensation, sorry, this is Orange Sensation. And the TAs have nice buds, and also have some botrytis. And let's go here. Let's see. This one is Predosa. It's an LA hybrid. It looks more or less okay. Nice big flowers, but it has a virus in it. And here comes the machine. Thank goodness. And this is a beautiful Tango hybrid. So I have to check the name because it grows really nicely. Soulless Specs. So this one is Soulless Specs. And we have our cat there sitting, and I have buds on my seedlings, so that's nice. And this oleum is in bloom. It's Oleum obliquum. And I would like to show you Clematis Henrietta and Clematis tangutica, also small flowers, but it will have a lot of flowers. And I bought a gladiolus mix, so the pink one is flowering. There should be other colors. And Hippa Australia is doing nicely, and the Galosperm is doing nicely. Oh, and the yucca is open, so let's check that one out. And in the open field also the Hippa Australia is blooming. So this is Yucca gloriosa variegata. It has these white edges. It turns a little pink in winter. And that's the normal Yucca gloriosa. It will have a stem in a couple of decades, so it's not a quick plant. And look at this. This is Iris chrysographus black form. It's the true black form, so it's nice. I like black flowers and green ones. And also Centaurea de Albata is blooming, and these Polish cultivars are very floriferous. This one is called Strawberry Fields, so I'm really liking this one. And oh, the irises are blooming. So let's see. Oh, look at this. Leonis, very nice. And this one is, let me check the name tag, Betty Cooper. So this one is Betty Cooper, and it has huge big flowers. I like it very much. So thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Goodbye.